Root 3 a square by 4 is given 17,320.5. The value of root 3 is 1.73205 into a square is equal to 4 into 1732.5. Now we have to remove the fraction decimal point 173.205 division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So 1 and 5 zeros into a square is equal to 4 into 173.205. Here 1 decimal point, so division 10. Cross multiplication 173.205 a square into 10 is equal to 4 into 173.205 into 1 and 5 zeros. Therefore, a square is equal to 4 into 173.205 into 1 and 5 zeros division 173.205 into 10. 1010, that is 4 into 4 and 4 zeros. A is equal to square root of 40,000 is equal to 200 centimeter. Therefore, given radius is half the sides of the triangle is equal to 200 by 2 is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, area of sector is equal to theta by 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 100 square is equal to 15700 division 3. Therefore, area of 3 sectors is equal to 3 into 15700 division 3 is equal to 15700 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to substitute in 1. Area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle. Area of triangle is given 17,320.5 minus 15,700 is equal to 1,620.5 centimeter square. Then third question. In the figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. ABC is a quadrant of a semicircle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. This one is a semicircle. BQC is a semicircle with BC as diameter, and this one is the BPC. In the ABC is a quadrant. We have to find the area of this shaded region is the question. To find the area of this shaded region belongs to the semicircle. To find the area of shaded region, first we find the area of the semicircle, then minus area of this part. What is that part? That part is in the figure is given. This part is the area of segment. First one, area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle. What is the name of semicircle? BQC minus area of segment. This point is P. So, segment BPC. First we find the area of semicircle. We have to find the radius. So, before going that, first we have to find the area of segment. First one, area of segment BPC. What is the area of segment BPC? This area of segment means area of the sector minus area of triangle ABC. Area of segment BPC is equal to area of sector ABC minus area of triangle ABC. Area of sector ABC minus area of triangle ABC is the area of segment ABC. What is area of sector? Area of sector is 90 by 360 into pi. Value of pi is not given. So, we use 22 by 7 into radius 14. 4, 7, 2, 11. So, area of segment BPC is equal to, first one, area of sector ABC. Area of sector ABC is equal to area of sector is equal to 90 by 360 into pi r square is equal to 154 centimeter square. Next, area of triangle ABC. Triangle is a right angled triangle. So, half BH. This BC 14, AB 14. Half into 14 into 14 is equal to 98 centimeter square. Therefore, area of segment BPC is equal to 154 minus 98 is equal to 56 centimeter square is the area of the segment. Now we have to find the area of this semicircle. For that we know the radius. To find the radius, this BC is the diameter. Radius of this circle is this BC is the diameter. So BC by 2 is the radius. How to find BC? ABC is a right angled triangle. So BC square is equal to 14 square plus 14 square is equal to 196 plus 196. So BC is equal to square root of 2 times 196 is equal to 14. Root of 196 is 14 root 2 centimeter is the BC. This full distance is 14 root 2. This is the diameter. So radius is equal to 14 root 2 by 2 is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter is the radius. Therefore, area of semicircle is equal to half pi r square is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. 7 cancelled, 2 root 2 cancelled. So our answer is 27 into 22 into 7 is equal to 154 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment. What is the area of segment? Area of segment is 56 centimeter square. 154 minus 56 is equal to 98 centimeter square. Thank you.